We'll guide you through how to improve your VS Code skills with some powerful tips and tricks. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code and ensure it's updated to the latest version. This is crucial because new features and improvements are frequently added. Next, go to the Extensions Marketplace by clicking on the icon on the sidebar. Here, you can search for essential extensions like Prettier for code formatting, Live Server for a quick development server, and GitLens for enhanced Git capabilities. Installing these can significantly boost your productivity. After that, customize your settings. Go to File, then Preferences, and select Settings. Take advantage of the user settings to tailor VS Code to your workflow. You can adjust the font size, enable auto-saving of files, or configure your terminal preferences. Now, let's talk about keyboard shortcuts. You can find these by going to Help and then selecting Keyboard Shortcut Reference. Learning shortcuts for common tasks like opening the terminal, toggling the sidebar, or searching across files can save you a lot of time. Consider using the integrated terminal. You can open it by pressing Ctrl plus backtick. This lets you run command line tools without leaving the editor. Also, make use of VS Code's built-in debugging tools. You can access these by clicking on the Run icon on the sidebar. Debugging directly in your editor streamlines the process and helps you identify issues faster. Finally, explore the command palette by pressing Ctrl plus Shift plus P. This is a quick way to access all of VS Code's capabilities without diving through menus. You can execute commands, open files, and even change themes instantly. By integrating these strategies into your workflow, you'll see a noticeable improvement in your efficiency and coding skills. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.